In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your ChatGPT subscription, whether you're on desktop, iPhone, or Android. Let's get into it. The first thing you need to know is that you have to cancel from the same place you originally subscribed. If you signed up on the website, you cancel on the website. If you signed up through the App Store or Google Play, you have to cancel there. Let's start with the desktop method. Go to chatgpt.com and log in to your account. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner, then go to Settings. Inside Settings, click on the Subscription tab, then click Manage. This will open your billing page. From there, click Cancel Plan and confirm your decision. That's it. You'll keep access until the end of your current billing period. Now, if you subscribe through an iPhone, open the Settings app on your phone. Tap your name at the top, then tap Subscriptions. Find ChatGPT in the list, tap on it, and tap Cancel Subscription. Confirm, and you're done. If you subscribe through Android, open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon, go to Payments and Subscriptions, then tap Subscriptions. Find ChatGPT, tap on it, and tap Cancel Subscription. Follow the confirmation steps, and you're all set. One important thing, deleting the app does not cancel your subscription. You have to go through these steps to actually stop being charged. After canceling, your subscription stays active until the end of the billing cycle. After that, your account goes back to the free plan automatically. If this video helped you out, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab so you don't miss more tutorials like this.